lost major enzymes, proteases in 21st century. The key to proper manifestation of human soul energies lies in the building blocks. Simply amino molecules are the miracles that builds up human body structures. It's what that cuts the genetic programming molecules DNAs, RNAs and expresses the character of definite splitting. Enzymes that decomposes specific proteins is necessary for those purposes. Of course, some are different from the others. The way population expresses their qualities is what generates an egalitarianism in the microscopic environments. But during the course of time, when ages of Earth began to progress, when modernization waves began to hit humans, we began to realize something strange is happening to our inside environments. We are lacking major enzymes. Some neutralizing energies are creating this void through generations. Now, either we have an excess due to the lack of neutralizing enzymes or we have lack of proper manifestation of spirit energies. Scientists are of the opinion that the total energies of Earth got major destructions. The change in threshold energies of light, magnetic field, ionic movements or polar shifts of ocean energies, the destroyed adhesive, cohesive forces of rare earths. The next problem they point out is the loss of diverse microscopic and macroscopic flora and fauna that neutralizes those instabilities. Yesterday I had conversations with one of my friend. He is suffering from uric acid problems. Very fatty man, can't express his spirit energies because of those uric acid imbalances that happens to him occasionally, once or twice yearly, which is neutralizing his enzyme that cause this proper decomposition. Is he lacking balanced seawater ions or osmolarities? Is his polarized electric conductions imbalanced so that he can't clearly express his spirit energies? Is his microenvironment filled with unhandled toxic chemicals like mercury, lead, sulfur, copper, methyl isocyanate, union carbide, uranium, plutonium, thorium? Is his biotic life organism populations got reduced innumerably? Actually, the main reason for reduced lifespan in modern populations is not overfeeding alone, it's simply the destruction of conductive polar electric fields through human bodies. The impurities like mercury, uric acid, if necessary importance is not given for proper neutralizing energies, it will accumulate in organs and body will try to neutralize it in brain, kidneys, lungs causing different combinations of matter, causing fearful diseases like stroke, aneurysms and cancers. This is the main reasons for delayed gender expressions among populations. Excess aminos acted upon by harmful live pathogens is another challenge. The expression of aminos, the key to programming, is the key to solve many problems, by acting upon those neutralizing enzymes. Now try to define the scope of amism ideology in structuring population egalitarianism, in some point of time, that can be total devastation.